Welcome back to Daily Drives, the channel where innovation, power, and the future of machinery come alive every single day. If you love futuristic machines, heavy equipment breakthroughs, and next-generation engineering, then you're in the perfect place. Make sure you're subscribed, because today we're diving into one of the most advanced railroad machines designed for 2026. This is the all-new Liebherr RE M Litronic Railroad, a machine built for precision, strength, and unmatched versatility in railway construction and maintenance. Let's explore how this new 2026 version is changing the industry with features that blend intelligence, safety, and raw mechanical power. The Liebherr RE M Litronic Railroad 2026 is designed to operate both on the road and on railway tracks, giving crews the ultimate flexibility for rapid deployment. One of the standout features of this updated 2026 model is its upgraded dual-mode drive system. With improved traction motors and a more efficient hydraulic-electric interface, the machine transitions smoothly between road wheels and rail wheels, minimizing downtime and improving productivity on long-maintenance operations. Liebherr has also introduced a smarter control system through its latest Litronic technology. This enhanced software package allows for more precise operation, automatic stabilization, intelligent load management, and smoother coordination between attachments. Everything feels more responsive and more accurate, making tasks like lifting sleepers, clearing ballast, maintaining overhead lines, or assisting in track renewal incredibly efficient. The new user interface is cleaner, larger, and designed to be more intuitive even for operators wearing gloves during cold weather railway shifts. One major improvement in the 2026 model is the reinforced lifting capacity. The boom and attachment arms have been strengthened using next-generation materials that offer higher rigidity without unnecessary weight. This translates to better lifting performance even on uneven terrain or when the machine is positioned on rails with limited stabilizing options. Whether it's installing heavy track components or handling bulky work tools, the RE M delivers superior performance that crews can rely on. The machine also integrates a redesigned undercarriage for improved stability on rail lines. The newly engineered rail guidance system enhances grip and minimizes vibration, allowing for smoother travel along the tracks. This not only protects the machine from wear, but also increases safety for operators working close to active lines. Its braking response has also been improved, especially when descending slopes or navigating wet, low-friction rails. Another exciting upgrade is the improved fuel efficiency and lower emissions. Liebherr has equipped the RE M with an advanced Stage V engine paired with optimized hydraulic circuits. The result is a machine that consumes less fuel even during heavy-duty tasks. This is a major advantage for long working sessions on remote rail stretches where refueling options are limited. The reduced emissions also help rail contractors meet strict environmental regulations, making the RE M a safer, greener choice for the future. The 2026 model also emphasizes operator comfort. The cabin is designed with better visibility, reinforced sound insulation, a climate control system that works efficiently in hot and cold environments, and improves suspension seating. The panoramic glass offers a clear view of the track surroundings, while LED lighting provides bright and even illumination during night maintenance. With comfort and visibility improved, the operator can work longer hours with less fatigue, boosting job site productivity and safety. Safety is one of the strongest areas where Liebherr has stepped forward. The RE M includes new proximity sensors, automatic rail alignment assistance, load monitoring warnings, and emergency override options. These features protect both the operator and the ground crew working within close range. The machine's updated camera system provides a full 360-degree view, reducing blind spots and enhancing coordination when working around other railway machinery or maintenance workers. In terms of attachments, the RE M 2026 is compatible with a wide range of specialized tools, including hydraulic clamps, rail tongs, sleeper handlers, tamping devices, and trenching buckets. Switching between tools is faster thanks to the upgraded quick coupler system. Crews can perform multiple tasks without wasting time manually adjusting hoses or mounting new equipment. This multifunction capability significantly speeds up projects like track extensions, overhead wiring repairs, or emergency line restoration. What truly sets this model apart is its reliability. Railway work demands machines that can operate in dusty, rainy, icy, and high-vibration environments. Liebherr has reinforced key components, improved sealing systems, and extended service intervals, ensuring that the RE 25M stays operational even under tough conditions. Operators and contractors benefit from fewer breakdowns, lower maintenance costs, and higher long-term durability. As the railway sector expands with new infrastructure projects worldwide, machines like the Liebherr RE 25M Litronic Railroad 2026 are becoming essential tools for efficient and modern track development. It brings together power, smart technology, environmental responsibility, and operational flexibility in one impressive package. Whether it's repairing an existing line or constructing a completely new route, this machine is ready for the future of rail engineering. Thanks for watching Daily Drives. If you enjoyed learning about this powerful 2026 Liebherr rail machine, make sure you like the video, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss our next deep dive into groundbreaking machines and futuristic vehicles. Drop a comment below about which machine you want us to cover next. Until then, stay curious, stay inspired, and keep exploring with Daily Drives.